Ito ang favorite tool ko sa pagiging isang virtual assistant or executive virtual assistant. Exactly dun sa tanong niya na kung anong gagamitin mo pang tawag ng mga tao sa US. Kasi 'di ba mahal 'yun. So kailangan mong tumawag sa landline, sa cellphone. So anong dapat mong gamitin? Yung sinasuggest ng client niya is bibili na lang daw siya ng phone tapos bibigyan siya ng SIM card na galing ng US if I'm not mistaken, para ganon. So that she can start calling people sa US. Now, this is the best app for you. It's open phone, lalagay ko yung logo na lang dyan or whatever. Open phone siya, matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. Ang kailangan lang, kinausap ko yung customer service nila because I have to pay for it directly na kasi sisingilin ko na siya sa direct client ko. So ang kailangan lang daw nung customer service, as in kausap ko, ka-Zoom ko, ang ganda-ganda nung kausap ko yung customer service ng open phone. Tsaka yun din, ang ganda din ng customer service nila. So ang sabi lang nila is that you need to have a US number kapag sinign up mo. So if kunyari, tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, ito, I'm a virtual assistant. Sabi niya, if your client has a US number or your client is based in the US, I can use yung number ng client ko to sign up. Kasi you only have to use it during sign up. After that, hindi mo na kailangan. So once na nag-sign up ka, i-enter mo lang yung number ng client mo and then makaka-receive lang ng code si client, tapos yun yata yung i-enter mo once you sign up. Hindi ko pa siya ginagawa kasi iba pa yung focus ko ngayon. Inbox management pa lang ako, wala pa akong kailangan calls na gawin. So yeah, yun yung pinakamaganda. Ang maganda sa open phone kasi pwede mo siyang maging CR. Yung pwede siyang magkaroon ng parang customer service, yung dial 1, dial 2, dial 3. May ganun siya. Pero yung pinaka-basic feature niya is yun nga, for you to have like a US number wherein you can call basically for free any US and Canada numbers. Now, if you want naman to call other countries outside of the US, pwede, pero for an additional charge. Parang may per minute charge siya. But yun, you can put in your client's credit card information so that if your client needs to call you international outside of the US, or if your client needs you to call probably in Europe, yung mga ganyan, it will be charged on their card. So, ganun. So, he's the best talaga. Seamless. And then, ang maganda kasi sa kanya, meron siyang desktop app that you can install in your laptop, at meron din siyang phone app that you can use in your Android or your iOS devices. And it's just the best. Bihirang-bihira lang mag-log. Ang ganda ng customer service. May mga newsletter updates pa sila sa mga bagong features, and they keep updating the feature. So, as in, nakagamit na ako ng ilang dialer before, but this is actually top tier, as in talagang cherry on top, ganon siya kaganda. So yeah, tell your client that you can sign up for open phone, gagamitin mo lang yung kanyang US number to sign up for it, and then after doon, okay na. You already have your own US number, you can receive codes, you can receive voice messages, you can whatever. Lahat ng parang ordinary yung US phone, nandun siya. Parang siyang eSIM, ganon. So you can have two numbers in your phone. One is a US number, one is your local PH number. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng bagong telepono. Pero kung gusto ni client, why not? But yeah, if you want to learn more about other tools na pwede mong gamitin as a virtual assistant, if anything that has to do with remote work or pagiging isang virtual assistant, all you have to do is follow me, join my free learning center, check out my YouTube channel, and subscribe. Everything will be in the link in my bio.